What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiara, and I am back with another video. This is a video I have not done in a long time, and it is a black business promotion video. And it's also the first video I will be making with the new camera. If y'all noticed the change in quality of this video, is because I'm using a new camera that I received for my birthday as a gift. And just work with me. It's multiple settings, multiple angles. Right now this is wide angle. I don't know how I feel about it, but we'll see how it goes the more I play with the camera and things like that. So like I said, this is a video I have not done in it feels like years, which is a black business promo haul. I'm doing 3 companies, and of course y'all will see it on me. So yeah. What else? What else before I say it? Oh, the names of the companies are in no particular order. Cloud Collection, Lax is spelled Lax, and Louisialien, which Cloud and Louisialien, I've been ordered from these companies. I just never had enough to actually do a video on it. So I got at least 3 companies. I didn't want to waste nobody's time by just doing one company. It's kind of like, I gotta, no. Oh God. I will put their socials and their websites in the description box below. I'm so nervous. Y'all don't even understand. I have not done this in a minute, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. But before we get into it, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. Cause I know y'all wanna support your girl. And without further ado, let's get into this black business promotion video. Okay, so this is the first company. This is Louisialien. This is actually the one I bought. The first of the 3 companies that I talked about. This is the first one I actually bought from. It was a I forgot. It was a kind of festival where like amateur, I won't say amateur, but like up and coming artists were performing their music and whatever. It was at the it's where the state fair be at in Shreveport. I can't think. It's called the state fairgrounds basically. And it was so hot. I think it was like in June or July. It was so hot. And then we was in a parking lot. That's asphalt. That heat bouncing up off the asphalt. I just remember that day so vividly because it was so hot. It was so hot. But the name of the company is Louisialien. The owner's name is Red, I think. And he had t-shirts. I think he had some shorts and some more stuff. His meaning behind his company was so like I liked it. That's why I ended up buying this. I ended up getting just this shirt, and my mom got a shirt, I think the same color. It was different colors, but this color, I'm just used to neutral colors. And he does have a website where he has other stuff on there, but I just have not had the money. I am a cheap person, so I have just not had the money to like buy more, but I will get around to it because I want to be able to promote people from Louisiana. You know what I'm saying? So this is one shirt. It says, as you can see, you really can't see it a lot, but it says Louisialien, and it has like a little. You can't see. I'm not trying to show my butt, y'all. I promise. It says on the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it says anti something, anti-human, yeah, anti-human on the back. And then I could have swore somewhere on it, yeah, it's a little alien on it. So this was a cute one. I wear this one so much. I washed it so much it's starting to fade, even though I was told to wash it inside out. But I be forgetting, so that's on me. But yeah, Louisialien, I do plan on buying more stuff. He has shorts, he has other t-shirts, and I think he has hoodies. Don't get me wrong. But like I said, I will link out his information down in the description box. So this is number one, and I'm finna get to number two. Okay, so this one is from the Cloud collection. As you can see, it is very, very detailed. I got two colors of the same jacket. So this is the company Cloud collection. This whole thing, all this, you know what I'm saying? It's a bit much, but I like the support. And then on the wrist it say Bandit Junkie, and then on the back, hold on. Hold on, I forgot what to say. I think it says love in a world of violence. Can y'all is my back to it? Okay. Love in a world of violence. Can you see it? I think that's what it say. Love in a world full of violence or something like that. And on the bottom it's very detailed. Very, very detailed. And if you can see real close, it's like distressed. You it's like cut up pockets. Even the bottoms is cut up. So yeah, I do like this one. I wore this one with some camo pants one time, and I haven't worn the navy one yet, but I'm finna go ahead and switch to the navy one real quick, so we ain't gotta keep going back and forth like this. So yeah. Okay, this is the navy one. Same Cloud collection, same guy. Bandit Junkie, same. Love in a world of violence. All of that's the same. And it's distressed as well. Probably in the same spots. And it's intentional. The distress look is very intentional. I do like it. I just don't be thinking about it, putting it on when I go outside, because I have like just jackets just ready to throw on. And I'm very not good with styling my clothes. So yeah, this is Cloud collection. Information in the description. Y'all go holler at them. Okay, last but not least. Okay, last but not least is the Lax. This is a company by an Instagram influencer. I think she's on TikTok as well. I'm not on TikTok. Her name is Jazz. Jazz. Um she's very I like watching her reels on Instagram. I love watching her family and things like that. And she has a company called Lax, LAX, and she sells clothes, accessories, things like that. She sells moo I've seen the moo, but girl, I got enough moo. I might buy one or two, but I got enough moo. You know what I'm saying? But I end up buying actual going out clothes. So this is the first piece of clothing that I literally just took it out the bag. It's a pair of jeans. She's colored them. I didn't even know they had like the little colors on, but they're very cargo. When I say cargo, baby, don't you lie and say you ain't got enough pockets to hold nothing. They're baggy. This is a medium. I got a medium, and my bad. I got a medium. It's a little stretchy, and that's how I like it. This is the full 360. This is the full 360, and they're very loose on the bottom, so you can probably wear it with boots, tennis shoes, slides, whatever you want to wear them with, and they'll fit perfectly up underneath these pants. So the reason why I'm breathing so hard is because I was trying to latch. It's these little, ignore my feet. Don't say nothing about my feet. It's these little latches right here that I was trying to clamp, and they gave me a run for my money. So yeah. Whew. I like these. I like them. It's just the black in me, but before I wear them out, I gotta wash them. But yeah, I like them. It's different. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. So this is the first piece. I got two more pieces from her, and then we're gonna wrap up the video. Okay, this is a two-piece set. I went ahead and zipped it all the way up so y'all can see the name, but 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna wear it unzipped. These are the leggings. These leggings got so much room. Do you hear? Oh, y'all didn't hear that. But do you see how much mobility you got in these things? See what I'm saying? You can, you can, you know what I'm saying? If you gotta steal off on somebody, you can, you know what I'm saying? Very fitting, very loose. I like it like that. But yeah, I'm more likely just gonna wear it unzipped like that. But this is nice. It's not too tight. It's not too tight. I thought it was gonna be too tight and it was gonna be very unflattering to my little I got right here. But like it, I got it in black because I would like to see my stuff in black because that's the most neutralist color that I know of. So yeah, got it. Hold on, I got you out of name. Hold on. Right there. Whew. One more and then for real, we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, so this is the last one. I'm insecure in form fitting stuff like this anyway, and I also have a waist beads on. But this is the last one. It is a maxi dress. It does go all the way down to the ankles, so all the way down to the foot. So it is very much maxi. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me do a 360. Hold on. Make sure my underwear ain't bunched up. This is a 360. This is a 360 in it. But yeah, kind of. I just ate breakfast too, so it might be a little, you know. I bought this one. It was a pink and green one, just like this. But I was like, ooh, I just bought a pair of shoes that would set this dress off. So that's why I got these. This color with the pink little accents around the things like that. Whew. All right. That is the end of that right there. I'm probably gonna keep this on in my outro, but this is the end of the try on portion of the video. So I will see y'all in 2 seconds. If y'all could see the mess on this floor. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of my black business promotion video. Again, all the information of everybody's stuff will be in the description below. I will link their social medias, their websites, all that stuff. So if y'all liked this video, Jesus Christ, if y'all like this video, my bad. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, all that, cause I know y'all wanna support your girl. And like I always say, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.